Hey kids, ever wondered why giraffes look like they could use their necks as giant selfie sticks? Get ready to stretch your brain with some sky-high secrets. Before we start climbing up this tall mystery, hit that subscribe button like a giraffe grabbing a leaf. You're not gonna want to miss these wild facts. Let's go. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth, and their necks are like skyscrapers with spots. They can peek through a second-floor window like they're spying on humans. But how did they end up so tall in the first place? Let's travel back in time, millions of years ago, before giraffes had noodle-length necks. The world looked different, and food was tougher to find. This is where the neck-growing story begins. Scientists believe giraffes started growing longer necks because they needed food high up in trees. The taller ones could reach tasty leaves that others couldn't. Imagine grabbing snacks that nobody else can reach. Perfect, right? In the wild, trees were like all-you-can-eat restaurants hanging snacks in the sky. Short animals were stuck eating dusty grass all day. But giraffes just lifted their heads and had a leafy feast like kings and queens. During tough times when food was scarce, the long-necked giraffes survived because they could reach the good stuff. That means they stayed healthier and lived longer. And in nature, survival means passing on your super neck genes. Those taller giraffes had babies with longer necks too. Each generation stretched a little more, like a family who keeps trying to reach the top shelf without a ladder. Over millions of years, the necks just kept growing. But hey, food wasn't the only reason. Male giraffes also fight with their necks in slow-motion battles called necking. They swing their heads like wrecking balls. The longer and stronger the neck, the better their giraffe karate moves. The giraffe who wins the neck battle usually gets the girl. Pretty romantic, right? The females think big strong necks are attractive. So basically, long neck equals giraffe boyfriend material. Here's a crazy fact. Giraffes and humans have the same number of neck bones, only 7. The difference is, each giraffe neck bone is bigger than a banana. That's like stacking 7 bricks instead of 7 Lego blocks. Their heart has to be super strong to pump blood all the way up that giant neck. It's like a powerful water pump shooting juice up a long straw. Without that mega heart, they'd probably faint every time they stood up. So giraffes teach us something cool. Being different can be your secret weapon. Their weirdness helped them survive and become legends of the savannah. Sometimes, standing out is how you stand tall. Whether they're munching on treetop breakfast or doing neck foo in the wild, giraffes are built perfectly weird for their world. They may look silly, but that silliness is actually genius. And honestly, they make being tall look awesome. Wow. So next time you see a giraffe, remember it's part snack machine, part wrestler, and totally unique. Their long necks have a wild history behind them. Nature got a little weird, and it totally worked. If you enjoyed this wild giraffe journey, give this video a big thumbs up and hit subscribe. Share it with a friend who's also tall or just weird in a good way. And hey, please don't start neck fighting your friends like a giraffe.